What's up guys, Akim Sterling here. So today we're going to do a quick review of this Psycho Bunny hat right here that I basically got on Amazon. As you can see, this is the original Psycho Bunny fitted cap right here. As you can see on the back, we have the Psycho Bunny sign right there, looking great. So inside, as you can see, we have some Psycho Bunny all over. We have some sign right in here as well. We have the Psycho Bunny also on the front of the cap right here. So looking great guys, as you can see. So just want to try it on, let you guys see basically. So on the back right here we have adjustable that you can basically use to adjust it. So this is how it's looking right here, as you guys can see. So it fit perfectly and me right there. I'm loving this Psycho Bunny hat right here. Just gonna show it off to you guys how it basically looks. As you can see right here, I'm really loving this. So I'm just gonna rock this now. My great Psycho Bunny hat right here. Yeah, the material is very thick and it feels very comfortable when you're wearing it on your head right here. I love the texture of it and it's really great. Love the quality, love the build and everything. You know, Psycho Bunny always build great product, great things. So this is really great. So I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys find this video very helpful.